Good evening, I'm Mike Brooks. Here's a look at some of today's top stories from 2 Works for You. The state health department is reporting 771 new cases of coronavirus here in Oklahoma. This brings the total number since March to 66,700. Health officials are also reporting 13 new deaths from COVID-19. The virus has so far killed 876 people statewide. A new government study suggests dining out may be linked with the spread of COVID-19. CDC researchers surveyed 314 people who reported symptoms of the virus. Those who tested positive were nearly twice as likely to report dining out at a restaurant in the 14 days before getting sick compared to adults who tested negative. Those with the virus but had no close contact with COVID-19 were also more likely to report going to a bar or a coffee shop. Tomorrow's 9/11 commemoration in Lower Manhattan will look different this year. The museum is going to allow families of victims to gather in person in the morning, then the public can visit in the afternoon. Social distancing is mandatory. The museum will play a pre-recorded reading of victims' names streamed online. Bells to signify each attack on September 11th will still take place, complete with a color guard. We've done it. All 50 states are now compliant with the Real ID requirement, so says the Department of Homeland Security. It passed 15 years ago. The Real ID Act establishes minimum security standards for state-issued driver's licenses and ID cards. In October of next year, Americans must have real IDs or passports to get through airport security. Here's a quick look at your weather. Another cool day on Friday. A little bit of chance of rain coming into play, but look how pretty it's going to be on Saturday and Sunday. That is gorgeous. And the work week ahead doesn't look too shabby either. That's a look at some of the stories making headlines for you today. Of course, stay with 2 Works for You for updates throughout the day and night. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again very, very soon.